Hi, I'm Tim from Showoftim, and I'm here walking back to Chickfilla. Now, today's Saturday, but last Tuesday I came up for breakfast, and I missed it by 5 minutes. Yeah. Have one of those coupons from the Chickfilla calendar. Oh my goodness, it's the best. If you guys haven't bought one, you're missing out. You just got like a ton of free food, and if you're like close to a Chick-fil-A, this is nice just to get out and get something for free. Anyhow, it's like 20 degrees out. I mean, it's crazy cold. There's like, look. That's from like Tuesday. That's when it came out. I mean, it's been cold this whole week. Now, it's like 10 o'clock right now, so I should make it. Well, like last week, I left at like 10:20, and I didn't get there until 10:35. Well, mostly because I was walking with my friend. He's slow as crap. But, just because... Sorry, there's like a cat. I don't know if you guys can pick up the sound, but just a cat. Someone should let it in. It's probably freezing to death out here. Chick-fil-A. Yeah. It's like the best restaurant. Yeah. Well, hopefully I'll be able to get breakfast. Free breakfast. Yeah. I like how this is like the first thing I do. Like the first thing I did this morning. I woke up. Just like Chick-fil-A. Of course. It took me like 30 minutes. I woke up at 9:30. It took me 30 minutes to find one of my shoes because I couldn't find it. It's like figures. But yeah, Chick-fil-A. Best restaurant on earth. Alright, I'm about to go. I'll tell you guys if I miss it. Got it. Finally. Whoa. Actually, it's inside my coat right now. I'm trying to keep it cold. Letting it keep me warm. It's pretty cool food. That's how cold it is out right now. It's freezing. I've seen something like that. Pretty cool. I gotta tell you guys, it's like 18 degrees this morning. See you guys. Alright, I'm back. I got it. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh. Looks delicious. Delicious. Alright, I'm gonna eat it. Well, I think it's worth waiting a week for. Oh, yes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating this, and I'll get back to you guys.